Hi, I'm Mike Doggett with Windermere Real Estate City Group. I'd like to share with you a rare find here in Cheney, Washington, located at 25106 West Carmen Lane. This short video clip of a walkabout of this 55-acre equestrian estate will show you that is more than just a home. It's an opportunity. Featuring a large shop, fenced and cross-fenced pastures, and a custom rancher designed for comfortable living. The 55 acres is in two parcels, with the custom rancher being on a 35-acre parcel and a second 20-acre parcel with its own well and access easement. Whether you're dreaming of horses, farming, recreation, multi-generational living, or future investment, this property offers freedom, flexibility, and a lifestyle you won't find anywhere else. If this teaser video leaves you wanting more, I've got you covered. There's a full 57-minute walkabout tour available. But honestly, nothing compares to seeing it in person. Schedule your private showing and experience everything this 55-acre equestrian estate has to offer. I'm confident you'll be just as impressed as I am.